video on pizza. It's like our first video for Pizza Fest. This is the quickest method of making your own pizza at home without having to order out.
And we don't order that stuff from the place with the easy phone numbers.
No.
Never.
So we have a pizza round, and then we have a couple of naans.
Okay, so you say we got a pizza round, we got 2 naans.
Yeah.
What's the diff?
Well, the diff is the naans are actually have got ghee in them, which is like a clarified butter. And the round doesn't. It is a typical pizza dough. So that's the difference.
Be interesting to see what happens.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to top this one. We don't want to make it too heavy, because if we do, then it just doesn't cook well, because there's too much.
Am I doing this right?
You cannot do it wrong.
All right. Cheesed up?
Okay, wait, I'm just going to fix this a little bit.
Of course.
No, it's perfect. He did a great
You always allow for that.
Okay, all right. Okay, so, and then we're just going to put some toppings on. So let's just throw some on.
Okay, so we've got 2 naans,
Yep.
which is what? Indian flatbread.
Indian flatbread,
Okay.
yeah.
You got pizza sauce on it.
Yeah.
We're going to dress it like a regular pizza.
Yeah.
Let's
and we're
go
going to
for
put our own toppings on.
Ah,
so,
okay.
Right?
So we're fighting for the cheese.
We're fighting for the cheese.
Okay. We love being stuffed, so I can't wait to find out what happens between this and this. I know those toppings are not nearly as good as these. So.
Yeah, no, they're even better actually.
So we're going to have some fun.
So, okay, so then what we've got is an oven going at 450, and we're going to put these in 6 to 8 minutes, just depends. It just depends on how brown and how golden we want the toppings.
How long does this take from start to finish?
How long did this take us? About 5 minutes? And we're talking?
Not bad.
Okay. So, all right. Now we're going to pop them in the oven, and we'll come back and give them a try.
Taste test time.
All right. They've been out of the oven for about just under 10 minutes. So let's cut them up and give them a go, right?
Go.
Okay.
Yeah, I love Shell. Shell doesn't use a pizza wheel, knife.
So much easier. Pair of scissors. Not fancy, not schmancy, but it really works.
What's interesting is to find out what is the difference in taste, because pizza's all about the dough, really. I mean, that's what kind of separates one pizza from the other.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. So I don't have to go there. I'm just, this is all about the dough. So I'm going to go here
this one.
and here. I'll report back in a minute. I'm pretty impressed.
Are you?
I am, actually. It's not what I expect. So I just had the pizza base.
The crust. The
pizza crust.
The pizza crust. The pre-done pizza crust versus the naan,
anyway,
right?
It's really good. Nice and warm, right hot out of the oven.
Yeah, it's good. I have a favorite, I must admit.
What's your favorite?
The naan.
Mine too. This is a really, it's a good tasting pizza. It's as good as any of the stuff that I like it better than what you get from the big pizza chains.
100%.
It has, like naan is just a nice, natural flavor.
And even the round, I mean, everybody's got things to do during the week. The kids are in soccer and they're in swimming and they're just running around. This is literally, you can put it together in 5 minutes.
You can.
Pop it in. It takes no more than 10 minutes to cook, and it's not a store-bought pizza.
It works. I could eat this at any time. It is that good, and I'm pretty fussy.
Yes, you are.